Before I put this up, I want to file it, get it round, not to a sharp point, like a dagger, but like a eraser head. Try to get around it, right? That'll make it go in a lot easier. And also to prevent this from splintering, okay, melts the end. Okay, fiberglass rod. Remember, the magnets are between that double stitching. Fiberglass rod goes outside the double stitching. There's a little channel right out here just outside the double stitching. If you look at the bottom of the curtain, there's a little bit of a hole. I'm just going to take this fiberglass rod and we're going to put it up into that hole. You can see the fabric is spiraling around that. It's okay, we'll just even it out. Now it's nice and straight. And for the last little bit, I'm going to go over here and push against something hard. So the fiberglass, this is a 10-foot fiberglass rod. It's a 9-foot curtain. I want my fiberglass rod to be short. I want it to end right about here, about 2 inches up from the bottom of the curtain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this back. I'm going to take some cutters. And again, I want to file the end. Okay, hold the flame, blow right out. There's where it ends. Now over time, even though it's a tight fit in there, it can have a way of kind of working its way out and poking out the bottom. There's a number of things you can do. I like to use an ordinary stapler. Just staple the bottom of that channel. What I like about the staple is I can always undo these, I can always get these staples out so that when it comes time to take the curtain down, I can still get that fiberglass rod out.